Vaughn says this, Pitcher says that, Fraser talks crap, Kalevsky was next, Habermas first, Warren says a lot, and Calhoun also tries. There's one thing that no one knows. What is the public?
What all these people have in common is that they all have tried to answer the same question: what is the public? Based on their views, we are going to try to give you a better understanding of what the public really is. Before we get going, let's view a short clip.
On October 22, 1962, President John F. Kennedy broadcast a special message to the nation from his office in the White House. Here is President Kennedy as he delivered that message, bearing on recent events in Cuba.
Good evening, my fellow citizens.
President Kennedy was speaking directly to the American people in this speech. However, as a whole, his public was much larger than that. A public isn't just the people you're speaking to. Rather, a public encompasses all those affected by what's being said. In this case, Kennedy's public includes the US, the Soviets, the Cubans, and the rest of the world interested in peace. Let's continue.
God kveld, mine kjære innbyggere. Denne regjeringen har som lovet oppholdt tett overvåkning av Sovjetunionens militære oppbygning på Cuba. Den siste veka har klare bevis vist oss at en serie av offensive missiler er nå i angrepsposisjon på den kapra øya. Hensikten med disse basene kan ikke være annet enn å gi en kjernefysisk slagkraft mot den vestlige halvkule.
This is how President Kennedy would have spoken. How many of the American people would have actually been addressed? Not many, because this was in Norwegian. In order for one to be a part of a public, they must understand the information being provided to them. To be included in a public, you do not need to be directly addressed. If somebody passes on the message provided by the speaker, then the people addressed by the person passing on the message are also a part of the first speaker's addressed public.
Hopefully we've provided you with enough information so now you can decide for yourself.
What is the public?